Welcome to our in-depth lesson on Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, or HACCP, a systematic approach to ensuring food safety in the food and beverage industry. Whether you're a chef, a food manufacturer, or a restaurant owner, understanding HACCP is crucial for preventing foodborne illnesses and maintaining high standards of food safety. In this video, we'll explore the principles of HACCP, how to implement it in your operations, and practical examples to help you apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a clear understanding of how to identify hazards, establish critical control points, and ensure compliance with HACCP standards. Let's get started. What is HACCP? HACCP is a science-based system designed to identify, evaluate, and control food safety hazards. It was originally developed by NASA to ensure the safety of food for astronauts, but it has since become a global standard for food safety management. The HACCP system focuses on preventing hazards rather than relying solely on end product testing. It is built on 7 core principles, which we'll explore in detail. The 7 principles of HACCP. Let's break down the 7 principles of HACCP. 1. Conduct a hazard analysis. Identify potential biological, chemical, and physical hazards in your food production process. For example, bacteria like salmonella in raw chicken or metal fragments from machinery. 2. Determine critical control points, CCPs. Identify steps in the process where control can be applied to prevent, eliminate, or reduce hazards to acceptable levels. For example, cooking raw meat to a specific temperature to kill pathogens. 3. Establish critical limits. Set measurable criteria for each CCP. For example, cooking poultry to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for at least 15 seconds. 4. Monitor CCPs. Implement procedures to monitor CCPs. For example, using a thermometer to check cooking temperatures regularly. 5. Establish corrective actions. Define steps to take if a CCP is not under control. For example, discarding undercooked food or recalibrating equipment. 6. Verify the system. Confirm that the HACCP plan is working effectively. This can include reviewing records, testing samples, and conducting audits. 7. Keep records. Maintain documentation of all HACCP activities, including monitoring results, corrective actions, and verification procedures. Practical examples of HACCP in action. Let's look at some practical examples of HACCP in the food and beverage industry. Example 1. A restaurant kitchen. In a restaurant, a critical control point might be the storage of raw meat. To prevent cross-contamination, raw meat should be stored separately from ready-to-eat foods at a temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. Example 2. A juice production facility. In a juice factory, pasteurization is a critical control point. The juice must be heated to a specific temperature for a set time to eliminate harmful bacteria. Example 3. A bakery. In a bakery, a critical control point could be the cooling of baked goods. Proper cooling prevents the growth of mold and bacteria. Monitoring the cooling time and temperature is essential. Benefits of HACCP. Implementing HACCP offers numerous benefits. Ensures compliance with food safety regulations, reduces the risk of foodborne illnesses and product recalls, enhances customer trust and brand reputation, improves operational efficiency by identifying and addressing risks early. Implementation tips. Here are a few tips for implementing HACCP successfully. 1. Train your staff. Ensure everyone understands their role in food safety. 2. Start small. If you're new to HACCP, begin with critical areas before scaling up. 3. Regularly review and update your HACCP plan to address new risks or changes in your process. Benefits of HACCP compliance. Achieving HACCP compliance doesn't just protect your customers, it builds trust and boosts your brand's reputation. It shows your commitment to safety and quality, making your food operations stand out in a crowded market. Now that you have a clear understanding of how to achieve HACCP compliance, it's time to put it into practice. Start implementing these steps today and make food safety a priority. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or want more food safety tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.